Yo, what's up, man?
Not much, man. Just, just chilling my car, Holmes.
Bro, man, where'd you get that car, bro? That yellow Porsche, dude.
It ain't no Porsche, man. It's a Pontiac.
Oh, damn, dude. It looks like a Porsche, bro, kinda.
No, it don't.
Damn, dude. Yo, man, look at this guy, Corvette, the shiny Rams Mac 10s on it. Dude, man, got the Flowmaster, twin turbo. God, man, running 25 kilos on it, bro.
Man, that shit ugly, dog.
Man, what are you talking about, dude? It was cheap, bro.
How much was it, son?
It was like $200,000, bro.
Man, shut the fuck up. No, it don't $25,000,
Yeah,
man.
man.
What the What the fuck is that sound?
Holy shit, it's gonna crash into us! Ah!
Holy shit, he's not stopping! Ah!
God, dude, are you okay, bro? Bro, are you okay?
I think I broke my leg.
Dude, your leg's off. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Don't die on me, man. You can't die on me right now.
I can't feel my legs.
Dude, stay awake.
I'm trying my best. Ah! I'm dying. My leg is gone.
No, man, no, man.
Oh, God. What the fuck? What happened? What happened? Hey! Hey! I'm out.